Close enough.
Eddie's got turn! Eddie's got turn! Out! Off we go! Go on, Eddie! Go on, Eddie! Corbin! Brilliant, Corbin! Eddie, come in! Man on! Eddie, start on! Right! Go top, come on! That's good! It's got turn! Man on there! Go cross!
That last night. Brilliant, Granty! Brilliant, Granty!
Come on! Great! Good! Yes! Right here! Let's win, Coleman!
Time! Again!
He's gone.
Keep my head.
Tell you what, you believe you got a drop the over. Right. Take it, Daz.
Stand away with me. Back sticks on if you want.
Back stick. Danny, off your back, son.
I reckon it's a red.
Let's get back in there. Let's get a nice and early.
Fucking. Yes, Brian, ready? Yes!
Fucking easy! Done, Brian. Done, David.
Go forward, side! Hey! Nice cut! Come in! Eddie, Brad!
Here,
Here! Up we go, Connor!
I'm on call at the second. Well, I'm still getting out the first. I get 4 hours to get the first.
That's it! That's inside, that's!
That's all, so I'll take it. Here's the booking, mind. You take it in the box, here's the booking. Can't tackle. Can't tackle anyway, but.
Hey, get out here!
Once a month, it goes up. Well, that's it.
The band after the year.
They left the voice like, hey, you've got a dance score in PG-12. I was like, oh my god. That's on, and I was like, yes. Ben Savage, that was Ben Savage. He's lost his
Second!
2 hours at least. So you that's it.
Stop, Brian! Miss me!
You can make that, Chris.
Up we go!
Done, Dan. Who's in there?
Come on!
Let's keep chasing.
Get the normal job.
Keep pressing.
Right, still! Right! Dash! Dash!
Dropped out back here, keep going.
That's exactly.
Jordan's had a couple of nightmares.
Yes, give it! Yes!
That's why you coming up so flat.
That's better, boys. That's better, brother. Go on then. Let's keep going. Need to keep going.
You've got to keep going, Wade.
Man on!
But now since it's any like that, it's just I just
Man on, David.
I think I've like one or two.
Go on, Blythe.
That's Sparky.
Boys, let's go, hey! We go again! He's got Kurt. Come on!
Concentrate!
Stop, lads, keep going! Stop! Up we go! Up we go! 16! Tom! Spring!
Go, come on, go.
Yes, Tom!
What's a fucking ulterior motive? Here. What's
Touch job there.
Liam, if you want! Second! One on! Yes, Brian! Working back! Get rid of it, Ash!
Just stand up. Come on! Leave it! On the edge!
I've got like dad. And I've still got £450 in fucking vouchers left. Well, Mary's got a letter off Sandra. Chase it! Get excited. God, Brad, open your legs!
Second! Time! Inside! Corners! Blue!
He scored, you've been a good mood today. He scored, you've been a good mood. Come on and score.
He was raging until about 10 minutes ago, he was on the bench.
Came off and showed, didn't even celebrate, Stephen, none of this. You know what he does when he scores, Kenny scores. He does it, doesn't he?
How you listening to them? Fuck's sake!
Get the ball! Well done, Stuart! Well done!
They don't look well, the things that we got were awesome. Probably the shittiest way to go like that, I hope I'm watching them, I know. That's why I want left! Good day, right!
Chase that, man!
Who's line? Time! Well done, Benitez. Two here, Bassa. Second! Right side! Right side!
Well, what are Magic's punch it does now.
Come on! That's two! Man on, David!
Inside!
Try it! Edge play! Must run! Out there!
Okay.
I think so.
Actually,
Come on.
How many did you beat this in the Scottish?
Great save, Moss.
Here again,
Come
Mazza.
on then again, Moss. Nice and big, Moss.
Come on, big man.